So this is my property that I bought back in 2020. Let's take a walk. This is my fire pit area. So I spent a lot of time clearing out these trails. This creek was one of the major appeals when I bought this place. So I made one trail that just basically runs along the entire property line. And you can see that right there. That's from Hurricane Helene. Not Sasquatch. Sasquatch didn't do that. Ooh, a feather. But it probably took me about 2 or 3 days to clear all the trees I needed to make these trails. Oh, look at that. That's my deer blind. I just got a little chair in there. I made this out of an old building. And I took 4 trees and I just screwed a bunch of stuff together to these 4 trees. Not even 4 trees, 2 trees. There was a cat living in here at one point, but I think it's moved on. Let's see if I can get this. Just stay for a minute. All right, let's go check out the open area. It's wintertime right now, so very little greenery. Everything's kind of a brownish brown. Hey, look, we're back out in the open. I dug this ditch out by hand all the way. Look at this crap. Once you hit the paved road, you're back at civilization. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this one. Just remember, nice night for a walk.
Nice night for a walk.